Hey everyone, today I'm going to share ABC juice recipe. It has a lot of benefit, but especially benefit for healthy heart and cardiovascular, increase blood flow level in your body, and it also help detoxification your liver. So let's get started. ABC juice. A for apple, B for beta, and C for carrots. These are our main ingredients for ABC juice. Now I'm going to chop it in medium size. Here I have already chopped apple, beetroot and carrots. Now I'm going to put it in the mixer jar. First goes to chopped apple into the mixer jar. Then goes to chopped beetroot. Then finally goes to chopped carrot into the mixer jar. Here I am adding a small piece of ginger. Squeeze some lemon juice. Here I am using cold water, but you can use any kind of milk as you wish, but I like to prefer water. Now I am going to blend it well. Our ABC juice is almost done, so I'm going to serve it. Here I am adding some ice cube. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Then I am pouring the blended ABC juice into the serving glass. Then I am topping with the fresh mint leaf. ABC juice is ready. It is good for overall health and digestive system, glowing skin as well as weight loss. Include every day in your morning juice. If you like it, please thumbs up and do not forget share and subscribe our channel. Try this healthy juice and comment me how it works. Thank you so much for watching.